Yes, please introduce yourself.
My name is Vinayak Tiwari. I'm from Triple IT Vadodara. I'm a BTech student in Information Technology.
Okay. So, what brought you to this workshop?
Actually, since joining the college, I found myself that I'm mathophobic, that I have a phobia about mathematics. So, Asim sir, when he came to our class last week, he said that there is going to be a workshop and it is about basic mathematics. They will introduce a new way of looking at mathematics that will help me to see or view mathematical concept in a better manner. And I always thought that the way in which I was taught mathematics from elementary school, from since till 12th class, I was not seeing it visually. I was not taking it like it is happening like this or that. It was like formula and short tricks and applying those tricks blindly. So I thought that it is good to come to such a workshop. So I joined this workshop.
Now, you said that you had a phobia about mathematics.
Yeah.
So, you were fearful about mathematics.
Yes.
Generally, we try to run away from fear. This is a mathematics workshop. So, that is again, if you are inviting yourself to the fear.
The motivation behind it was that my friend asked me that if you are fearful about something, you should face it. And there are many people in my life that have always motivated me to face my fear. So I have that character now. I should have encountered it way back in my life when I was in 10th or 12th class, but I did not. But now that I have grown up, I have started thinking that I have to do something about it. So that's why I came here.
Right. The first day of the workshop, till afternoon, it might have been just a regular thing, intro and all these things. The first day almost got over. So, what was your reaction when the first day got over?
Frankly speaking, first day I did not like it much because it was the introductory part which I was already aware of. So I would like to recommend that first introductory part they could have shortened it a little bit so that the interesting and new things or the difficult ones that could have come pretty earlier. So this workshop was of 3 days, so it could have been extended to 3.5 or 4 days. Now, if you skip that introduction part, it could have done in 2.5 day or 2 day. So that is my opinion.
But without the intro session, would it have been possible to move ahead the second and third day?
Okay. During the introduction class, Mr. Chanchal Das, he said that his workshop are designed for his workshop can be taken by any 8th standard student or a PhD student simultaneously. But in this workshop, there was no the smallest group was of BTech IT. So he could have shortened it a little bit. That is my opinion, but okay, that is the best way that he's following since years. So
Okay. First day got over, day got over, and today is the final day. We are at the verge of completion. Rather, it has just completed.
huh.
What is your reaction about it?
I feel confident now because some of the concepts are clear to me right now, and I can now see myself as okay, I can do this, I can visualize it like this, and I can see applications of some of the concepts that were introduced here.
Okay. So, first and foremost thing is that your phobia for mathematics. What is the stage of it?
Uh, okay. We got calculus in second semester. So what happened was we got a project. So we had to do that project. So I was like, in computer science, what we do is there is a analytical part first, mathematical. We built it and then we program it. So I always used to skip that mathematical part because I was always waiting. Okay, guys, do this. I will do the programming part. So that was like I was always running from it. But now I will have that confidence ki yes, I can do this.
Something like bring it on.
Bring it
I'm
on.
ready for it.
Yeah.
Give anything about mathematics. I'm on for it.
Yes.
Something like that.
Yes. Definitely.
So, what do you recommend others about this workshop? What do you
Uh,
want to tell others?
First
about
of all, if someone has a fear about mathematics, it is a definite remedy, this workshop. Then, if you want to brush up your skills that or visualize difficult concepts, it is recommended. Mm, yeah, that's it.
You said that for those who have fear for mathematics, this is a remedy. Is it a remedy or a cure?
Uh, for me, it is a remedy. That's what I am feeling right now because I had a problem and now I have been cured.
So it is a cure.
Oh,
That
yes.
remedy.
Huh.
Right. We can
That-
more
huh.
appropriately say that this is a cure because
Cure.
remedy is like for a time being it subsides. Cure is to permanently bring you out of it.
Huh.
So somewhere I can say that
It is
this
a cure.
workshop is a cure for phobia, math phobia.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Thanks a lot for that.
And I would like to
Yeah,
thank
yeah.
Mr. Chanchal Das for organizing such a workshop and Professor Asim Banerjee for introducing us, for coming and telling us that there is a workshop here. And I would like to heartily thank him. And that's it.
That's great. Thanks a lot and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.